Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I'm La Primo Ferris, and you see here on this channel we are focused specifically on moving small funds to huge amounts of money. And you see, in my years of trading, one of the problems that has been a constant challenge for traders, especially beginners, is lack of funds, lack of capital. And you see, getting a huge capital to actually dive into the forex industry for beginners is a challenge. But I am here to tell you today that you can raise your own capital with resilience, determination, the right knowledge, contentment, and that's your little funding. But before we continue, click on the YouTube channel, like it, share it, so you can get notified when we post new videos as they guard our content. I begin a challenge of moving a 100k naira, 100,000 naira to 2 million naira in about 2 months, which was successful. And you see, this has actually encouraged me into doing some other challenges. And you see, it has encouraged me in moving small funds to large capitals. And you see, raising capitals in this forex industry is one of the major difficulty that a lot of traders has faced. But you say, I'm bringing it to you to see how I've done it and made it possible. And it may seem impossible, but I have made this possible. And I'll be sharing my forex trading trip to moving a 100k naira to 2 million naira successfully under 2 months. Watch the video to the end and make sure that you like, you share, and subscribe. You see, one of the integral parts that actually helped in flipping this 100,000 naira to 2 million naira was risk management. And you see, risk management is important in this journey, and it has helped me a lot. I begin with a 10% risk on the 100,000 naira, which means I was risking 10,000 naira per trade and maximum of 20,000 naira in a day. I trade 2 times in a day, London session and New York session, 10%, which means when I'm risking 10k per trade in a day, it is a maximum of 20,000 naira. And as the account grows bigger in size, I tend to reduce the risk, especially when it goes to around 600,000, 700,000. Instead of risking 10%, I have to be risking around 50,000 naira, 40,000 naira. And you see, it actually helped the account to grow and also help shape my psychology, because you see, when the psychology is shattered, everything is scattered. Now, another important part in this perspective, another important part is you have to know that there will be days of losses and there will be days of winning. And you see, guiding yourself, guiding your mind, and guiding your psychology is a key focus to actually help you achieve your goal. And you see, another key point which helped me in being successful in trading this small account to this big amount is withdrawing. You see, withdrawing part of your profit is actually a huge confidence booster. I moved a 100k to 2 million naira in under 2 months, in which I withdraw along the way, which would technically mean I actually made more than 2 million naira, because after the withdrawal, the balance was still 2 million. So I've actually made some withdrawal. At least I made, and you see, one thing is this 100k to 2 million was actually replicated on 3 different accounts. The same trade on the 100k was replicated on 3 different accounts. So, and all the accounts, there were withdrawals. So withdrawal is a confidence booster. So make sure that not even even if it is not challenge account, make sure you're always withdrawing week in, week out. Now, so guys, join me in our challenge of raising large capitals from small funds on my other videos. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms.